Starting July 1st, Florida is seeing a new law implemented that regulates real estate transactions. And what it does is it prohibits foreign principals from owning certain types of real estates in the state of Florida. The law defines a foreign principal as someone from China, someone who's domiciled in Russia or Iran or Korea or Cuba or the Venezuela regime of Nicolas Maduro or the Syrian Arab Republic. And what the law says is these foreign principals cannot own certain types of properties. Exactly what properties are they? Well, it's twofold. It's an agricultural land as defined by Florida statute, or any property within 10 miles of a certain military installation or a certain infrastructure facility. And that's a very broad requirement. There's no maps. We're not given any direction what type of property those are. It's a very big misnomer that we're trying to navigate to figure out exactly what it's applicable. My advice, it's better to be safe than sorry. If you're a real estate agent, make sure you're not asking these questions of, are you from one of these countries before you have that contract signed? Because then you could be discriminating and violating the Fair House Act. There's actually a lawsuit that's being filed by the Fair Housing Act against the state of Florida, saying this law discriminates people from going into a real estate transaction. A common question that I get asked is, if you are a foreigner from one of these countries and you do own one of these pieces of properties, what do you need to do right now? What the law says is the law gives you until December 31st of this year of 2023 to register your land with the state of Florida. If you don't register your land, or if you do complete one of these transactions after July 1st, what are the consequences? The consequences are huge. Make sure you understand the complexities of this law and that you're not in violation of this new law once it goes into effect.